Introducing the 1350 series digital torque and angle screwdriver. This new tool helps you increase throughput while reducing rework and cutting warranty costs. The 1350 is easy to implement and it's simple to use. If you're pairing it with the Global 400, the Global 400 requires firmware 1.5.0 or later. If you're using it with the Global 400 MP, the firmware required is 4.4.0 or later. So you set your parameter, pair the tool to the parameter, and when the parameter is active, the tool becomes active and you can go to work. Parameters are set in the controller. That means no changes can be made at the tool level. That's an extra level of error proofing to protect your assemblies. The 1350 TD makes torque application easy. To separate it from our other tools, it has a 10-digit radio code that is visible on the controller display. The rest of our tools have a 9-digit code, so this really stands out. Error proofing by guidance comes in visual, tactile, and auditory cues. The light ring changes color, the body vibrates, and the tool emits an acceptance tone when the target torque values are attained. Plus, the operator sees the results on the controller display. The 1350 TD does more to protect your assembly quality. With torque and angle monitoring, you get double hit protection. If an operator attempts to tighten a previously tightened fastener, the system immediately shows reject. If you need to see the details in process, they're on the tool display. You can apply torque in peak, torque and angle monitoring, torque to angle, and you can audit with residual mode. With an accuracy of plus or minus 2% of indicated value, this is a tool that lets you get a handle on those low torque applications that have previously been a big problem. The 1350 TD comes in two torque capacities. One is 4 to 80 inch-pounds. You have a choice of models there, 1/4 inch female hex or a 1/4 inch male square drive. And you can order a well-designed L-grip handle that makes turning 80 inch-pounds easy. The other capacity is 5 to 100 inch-ounces. That comes with a 1/4 inch female hex drive. The 1350 is powered by one AA nickel metal hydride rechargeable battery. You'll get at least one busy shift out of a battery. Chances are you'll do better. Battery chargers are sold separately. To learn more about how this tool can help your assembly quality, contact your local Sturtevant Richmont authorized distributor. Accurate, reliable, durable. Tools you trust from the engineering minds at Sturtevant Richmont.